In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions in Clipchamp. Whether you're new to video editing or just looking to enhance your skills with Clipchamp, adding transitions can really polish your projects, giving them that professional touch. All right, let's dive right into it. First things first, open your web browser and simply search for Clipchamp. This is a powerful tool that's quite user-friendly, making video editing accessible for everyone. Once you've found the official website, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, registration is straightforward and completely free. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create a new video. On Clipchamp's dashboard, there's an option to start a new project. Click on it, and you'll be on your way to creating something amazing. With your new project open, the next thing you'll want to do is head over to your media library. This is where all your video and image files should be pre-uploaded. You'll need to drag and drop these files to the timeline, ensuring there are no gaps between them. This is an essential step because transitions work seamlessly when clips are lined up directly next to each other. Next, look over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and find the Transitions tab. Click on it, and a diverse range of transition effects will be visible. A helpful tip here is to hover your mouse over each transition effect to watch a quick preview. This will give you a sense of how each transition will flow in your video, helping you choose the most visually appealing one for your story. After selecting your desired transition, simply drag and drop it into the space between two clips on your timeline. Another nifty option is the purple Add Transition button, which appears when you hover between clips. Clicking this button will automatically insert a default transition, which you can customize later. Once the transition is placed, click on the transition icon within the timeline. This action opens the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Here, Clipchamp provides you with the flexibility to adjust the duration of your transition. Use the slider to make it as short or as long as you wish. Additionally, if you want to experiment with another type of transition, this is where you can easily select a different one without returning to the main transitions library. And that's it. You've successfully added transitions to your video in Clipchamp. Play around with different types and durations to see which works best for your project. With these skills, your videos are bound to be smooth and engaging. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.